What's up, YouTube? So, we're in Panzergonia. We are heading to the shop real quick. It's about 7:20. We're gonna pick up our buddy Alex and then hit the road and head for Holder Mine. We're gonna do some off-roading today. See if how capable this Touareg is. Well, we're not gonna go crazy. I'm saying that now, but if anybody knows me, I can be influenced, especially in the middle of doing something. So. It's my cameraman, friend of mine. We're up here in St. Pete picking up Rafi, who's bringing the new Lexus. Rafi just standing over there looking off in the weeds.
Dude, what are you doing over there?
Very professionally using this pen to let air on the tire. Because we're going to air down because I have them at like 58 PSI, so it rides like a covered wagon right now.
Okay.
There's about 30 seconds on each tire.
Alright, we didn't have a mic with us.
Has to be sugar sand.
It's nice here. Very nice. It's a little shaky. Shaky.
A little bouncy.
Yeah, I think I should buckle up. It is bouncy.
Oh my god, it's fucking...
That's a lowrider.
It's so rutted.
That's what's up.
Oh, it's sugar sand too. You get stuck here, it's probably pretty embarrassing. Look how rutted up it is. Definitely doesn't ride the bumps as good as I thought it would. I shouldn't say that. I guess it's I don't know, I've never been off-roading. This might be normal, Alex. Is this normal? Is this how the ride quality should be?
We'll find out.
Go a little faster. It's actually getting pretty deep. The ruts are pretty pronounced.
It feels like somewhere in the safari, huh?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's interesting.
Definitely the shaker test, right?
Shaker test, that's for sure.
If you didn't feel good, it would not be fun. It definitely rides better with less air in the tires, though, don't it?
Yep.
Dude, look how... Now I see why people run the skid plates.
Watch out, Zane. Back up. I love the sound of that. So good. No drama. Oh, that one got a little. We got a little some sidewall. Oh, straight. Nice.
We did check how deep it was. Just a little softer than anticipated. This place is supposed to be pretty cool after the rainy season, but this was the first water we found.
Uh-oh. That's bad. That's bad. All right, ready to watch, Lee. Already stuck. All right, that's good. At least we got stuck there. Oh, Tom, you're nuts. Oh, God. He's stuck. So rear left is spinning and front right. Okay. Yep. All right.
Yeah. So we've been here by ourselves the whole day, and then the Miami Jeep team rolled up on us.
Here, this is a big one. Look at this. Oh. A little bouncy. Momentum will help. And then slam on the... Oh.
Okay, wait. You doing it from the front? I want to do it from the back.
Mine like,
You're not coming here, right?
yeah.
Ah, okay, this one will be easy for you.
2024 Lexus, no problem. 22 Lexus, absolutely zero issue. Just straight up the hill. Straight up the hill. All right, well that's it. Panzergonia's first outing was pretty cool. Got stuck twice. Didn't get to use the winch because we didn't get deep enough into what we were going into, but fun times.